He rā ko panipani tēnei mo te rūnaka o Koukourarata. Ko hoki mai te taniwha hikuroa nei a Charlie Crofts ki te poho o tōna whare o tū te huarewa.
Oh, I think it's the highest compliment one can make. To come home to the place that he obviously loved, and his wife, Mere, and the family.
Ina nahi rā whakangaro atu a Charlie Crofts ki te pō, ko tōna wahine a Mere me a rāwa tamariki me ngā mokopuna e tai āmo I aia. Aha koa koia te kaiwhakahaere o mua mo tōna ke rūnaka me te rūnanga o Ngaitahu ki te pānei ko Uncle Charlie ke.
Just rattled, just rattled because he's such a pou. He was a poutokomanawa. He loved his family, his darling wife, Auntie Mere. He loved all his villagers. We need this tangi hanga process. We need it. We need it so we can share our stories. Tell him we love him.
Kua tai mai ngā tini mata o Ngaitahu ki te tuku I a rātou poroporo āki, pēnei I te rūnanga o Ngai Tuahuriri.
He's just a man of the people. We loved him because he was genuine. He spoke from the heart, but he was also very clever. He could always come up with a cunning way of getting things that were beneficial for us in a way that was peaceful and in a way that could bring people of all cultures along with him.
Mai ngā tōranga pū o te iwi, te whakahaere I ngā hui rūnaka, ki te marae nei, ka rongo te rūnaka nei I te ngarohanga o Crofts, huri noa I te pā.
Between the two of us, we used to have, I wouldn't call it an argument, it was quite a debate as to whether one should ask those questions or one shouldn't. And so I'm going to miss him. You had somebody that you go to that's had the experience. Sorry. Yes, I miss him dearly.
Ka tū te rā nehu, hei tēnei taite. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.